In today's video, I want to show you how to Discord clear cache using Discord app. So if you want to clear the cache memory from your Discord app, so the process is pretty simple. So the first thing, you have to simply open up your phone settings, or you can simply tap and hold down the Discord app. Now tap on little information eye icon. Now here you will see all the settings related to Discord app. So here you need to simply go to the storage, and now here you will find clear data and clear cache. So if you want to clear the cache, your Discord recent files used will be removed. So now I want to open up the Discord app. So here it basically open the Discord, and it will be sometimes fix some errors like messages loading problem and other notification related problems. So if you want to clear the cache, so this is a great way to do this. So if you clear the cache of your Discord app, your Discord app will be reset. So in this way you can easily clear the Discord cache memory on a Discord app by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.